In today's world of factory automation, safety over wireless is transforming the industry. With the rise of mobility, new challenges and opportunities await. So let me show you how safety protocols can adapt to a wireless environment. Let's go. Just like in life, some tasks are impossible to conquer all at once. But when we break them down into smaller, more manageable parts, we can overcome them. For decades, safety functions have been hardwired in factory automation systems. However, over the last 10 to 15 years, fieldbus technologies have been finding their ways into automation systems, leading to more flexibility. Despite this integration, the design of safe data communication via fieldbus networks was done assuming robust, reliable and fixed networks. As the world of automation evolves, we see more and more mobile machines in warehouses and factory floors. This rise in mobility places new requirements on safe data communication. New methods had to be untangled from wired networks to communicate with a central control unit and even among themselves in a constantly moving environment. This is where safety over wireless comes into play. The most commonly used wireless technology is wireless LAN or Wi-Fi, but these advances in wireless communication can easily be undone if unsuitable transmission protocols are used. In safety over wireless, there are multiple levels of problems that need to be separately resolved by integrators as well as AMR manufacturers. Both safety and wireless are complex themes on their own. However, to successfully get their systems up and running, AMR integrators and manufacturers have to solve both. For many years, HMS has been at the forefront of developing safety solutions that are not only effective but adaptable to this shifting landscape. We at HMS understand that safety and wireless are complex themes, each with its set of challenges that need to be resolved by both integrators and AMR manufacturers. Our white paper, Safety over Wireless, focuses therefore on the usability of various standard safety protocols in a wireless environment. With this, we aim to help you achieve your breakthrough even for complex problems. So get your breakthrough. Download the HMS Safety over Wireless white paper today.